times are changing and people are hungry.
Absolutely. What we did, what we have promised our people during the electionary campaigns is that we are going to consolidate on the gains of the previous 3 years. And what we did basically in our first term was to look at infrastructure. Now we are going to match infrastructure and human capital development, just like you have said. We are going to embark on massive empowerment of the people to ensure that our people are self-sustaining. We intend to establish an enterprise, a more of an enterprise, where we will, the empowerment will not be for free, so that people don't think that it's funds that will be fretted away. The idea of empowerment is not that kind of empowerment where you dash people stipends. They will work and earn the money so that others too will benefit. We intend to do quite a lot. We intend to look at our primary schools and look at the primary health sector. All of that have issues. So we are just going to develop, consolidate on what we know how best to do. Amen.
Well, I've said that many times during my campaign that my government will be more of the government of the people. This time I will not be in a hurry to put up any project, but rather I will go back to the people and ask them what actually project that benefits them more. When we agree on that, I will definitely make sure that we carry on that. We will concentrate on this and knowing what is going on. We'll concentrate on empowerment, making sure that our people will go back to either business, farm, or back to schools. That we will concentrate. I wouldn't want that idea of where people go to the government house or go to the local government and begin to beg money. We won't tolerate that, but rather we will find a way to give them a blue-collar job, giving them job where they can learn handworking and all that. We will sponsor and put more effort in those areas. With that, we will achieve more women empowerment, and that's what we want to achieve. Then the other one will consolidate on what our predecessor has done before, which is Dr. Engineer Samuel Wanosike. He did well in Equatorial Government. He gave us a big shoe, but although we are ready, we have won our part. We'll fix our leg there. We'll make sure that we get to where he has gone to, and probably surpass that by the grace of God. So generally, I think we know more about. We don't play with security, and that will concentrate. Thank you very much.
My people, the good people of Eleme local government, we have identified their areas of need and we have prioritized their needs. And by so doing, we have identified that the most important of the needs of my people today is power supply through electricity. And that has been the problem that has reduced the level of economic growth of my local government. Now, the second issue is security, and also we have the local government secretariat, which is in a very, very deplorable state. Eleme does not have a befitting secretariat. So those are the issues that will be on the front burner during this administration in Eleme local government. And we are also going to be looking at the empowerment of women, empowerment of youths, and of course, security, which was the order of the day in our last administration, will be consolidated. So those are the areas we have identified as we speak. While we were doing our consultations with our people, we found out that these are areas of need and we must attend to them.
Well, my name is Dr. Thomas Barry Ere, Chairman, Kana Local Government. I am happy that we've been elected and then today we've just been sworn in. We promised our people renewed hope, and exactly that we're going to deliver. We did assure our people in course of our electioneering campaign that if we're elected and we assume office, that we shall translate economic ideas into reality in bringing up programs and policies that will put money in the pockets of our people. One way of doing that is to set up the Kana Local Government Microfinance Bank. Kana is a rural community and banking services to our people is still very limited. And so setting up a microfinance bank would make our people who are doing business and farming have access to business funds. We also intend to set up kind of local government transport company. That way we shall reduce the cost of transportation so that our people will be able to move with ease. A combination of this and several other life transforming programs is what we are set to deliver to the people of Kana.
Congratulations, sir.
My name is Engineer Wolobi Michael Ofori, Akpoti-Uduaghan local government, the executive chairman of Akpoti-Uduaghan local government area. Thank you, River State.
What is unique about Akpoti-Uduaghan, and how do you intend to restore that uniqueness that has been missing for some time?
The renewed hope agenda of the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is already in place in Akpoti-Uduaghan local government. We're working together to unite our people in the grassroots and bring the dividends of this democracy of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to the local government and the grassroots. Thank you. Thank you very much.
DSSRS PhD. Okay.
What agenda do you have for your people? You have been inaugurated now.
Well, I have just been inaugurated, given the mandate and order discharge to go and do the assignment. But I'm assuring everybody that once I get to Tai, I'm going to kickstart the job I've started before. I was once a council chairman and I was short-lived, but this time around I've come to continue from where I stopped. I'm assuring everybody that I'm going to consolidate on what I did before and to improve on some other areas that I didn't touch, particularly in the area of education. I want to make it a deliberate policy because I'm playing host to a federal university of environment and technology in River State for now. So definitely I'm going to make it as a policy to see that our people not only gain employment in the place as a junior staff, but they also gain employment as lecturers as well as non-academic staff of a great repute. And I'm assuring everybody that it's going to be peace in Tai, so that our investors and students that will come into the environment will have a very peaceful stay. Thank you.
Governance and development. How do you intend to rewrite the laws, if there is any?
Okay, so we campaigned on the mantra of unity, encouraging our people to unite against the money problems that confront us. And our people listened and voted for us. What we're going to do is to face governance with a business mindset. We dissect our problems, identify the problems, their causes, their effects, the extent of those effects, and then we deploy our resources strategically and effectively to solve them in a manner that is transparent and in a manner that is people-centric. We are going to govern with data. So we'll do a lot of reviews to find out what the problems are and how serious these problems are. And then we will ask our people, including those who are not from our local government, who have answers to the problems, to come forward and help us so we can solve these problems. I believe that the people working together can solve any problem. And I also believe that majority of the problems we have are man-made. So we will talk to our people to change their mindset about society, about leadership, about government, and to freely contribute to the building up of our local government. Thank you.
Yourself and your LGA.
My name is James A. James, the chairman of Popo-Nkoro local government area. The A is Afaya. I am the chairman of Popo-Nkoro local government area of River State.
What do you intend to bring to the table in terms of developing Opopo?
My message to my people is that my actions will speak louder than my words.
Oga, tell us exactly what you want to kick off with.
Like I said, my actions will speak louder than my words. The people will see the development, not by the words. They will see it in practical. We will start massive development in the LGA. All abandoned projects will be completed. In Nkoro, there will be internal road development. The health sector shall start working massively, and we shall have emergency van in the health sector. Thank you.
It's a dream I had before I become a chairman. I know the former chairman did well, and I want to do better. I want to add up what they have been doing. I know my predecessor left a huge assignment, which I will continue to make sure. Mainly, we had this building of markets everywhere. If you look at those markets, more inside of the market, there are not people because of there is no capital. My intention as a local government chairman is to make people eat food. Let them go there. Let them go to the market. Without money, there will be no market. Yes, they have bared well. They did well. Let me go and empower human beings to reduce hunger. More importantly, hunger must be reduced. That is my aim. If people are being fed well, I'll be okay. I can sleep well. That is key point of my going as a chair local government. And secondly, those people, those land grabbers shouldn't need a chair. Any dredger, what do they call it, a swamp boogie or caterpillar, that I see any site in a chair local government without the approval of my office, any land, without approval by the chairman, not my PA, not my aide, by the chairman, signed, that property, that caterpillar will be a property of a chair local government. So nobody should go to any land in a chair local government.
First and foremost, our priority is needs assessments of the people. For everything we must do, it has to be inclusive. It has to be all-encompassing. We can't do it alone. The youth, the women, the stakeholders will have to sit down and draw a roadmap that has direct impact, a roadmap that can lead to development, a roadmap that can lead to the prosperity of the local government. That's our focus and that's our priority.
Congratulations.
Thank you.